welcome back to the channel. For those who are new here, hello, my name is Ananya and welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a Fluffy Friends house speed build, so let's get on to the video. So here's the before. And to know the end results, you'll have to watch till the end of the video. Alright, so I just started off by removing all the items that were already in the house, and I just put these fresh wallpapers, like the flooring, as well as the wall color. I've changed everything. So here I started off with the kitchen area, you can say, kitchen slash bedroom. They're like a mix of both, but this house will be used in my next video, which you'll have to stay tuned for because that is going to be this little road trip vlog. So I might make like a little series on it, so stay tuned for that. But I'm not going to be doing a voiceover for the rest of the video. So yeah, stay tuned till the end to see the results. And if you do want to use this house, you of course obviously can. I would love if you would give me credits, and credits, like my personal credits for this house, will be given in the description box below. So check that out and enjoy. Okay, so I did not customize the outside area. I just didn't feel like doing the outside area, but this is the house. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video, so stay tuned.